It's an old school Ford rocking the patina look down there in the Budweiser lane. Cody Budweiser side gets down the track, 1611 at 88 miles an hour. Now Ryan Nesbitt, Budweiser lane, the 94 Trans Am, and Zach Bartos, the 96 Sonoma. That's a pretty cool car. And just simply based on the burnout, the way that thing sounds, that's a race car. Yep. It's going to put up something like a mid-10 second pass, I'd say. About 12 seconds. Scratch that. 11:41 and a $1.15. I'm wrong either way. It's the life of an announcer. 16:55 at 85 for Nesbitt in the 94 Trans Am. Definitely not something you're going to want to miss. How about Daniel Thoning?